Hello smart people, Mr. Ace here. Today is Tuesday, February 6, 2024. This video is for a Math 1 student. Today we're going to go over Quizzette Day 3, not 2, Day 3. If you didn't finish your Unit 5 Quiz 1 last time, you can go to Delta Math and work on it. If you already finished that, you can either do 2 iReady topics or Delta Math 6-4 or catching up on your homework. Okay. Alright, we're going to go over Quizzette Day 3. Okay, number 1, graph y equal to x and y equal to 3x minus 4. So first you need to find slope and y-intercept of each equation. Okay, so y equal to x plus, if there's no number after x, it's going to be 0. And then if you see an x, you have to have at least one x, okay, to be able to see the x there. So your slope is 1 over 1, and your y-intercept, or your b, is 0. Slope is 1 over 1, b is 0. So we're going to begin at 0. Okay, rise over run, you're going to go up 1 over 1, up 1 over 1, up 1 over 1. Okay. And you can also do the reverse, down 1 to the left 1, down 1 to the left 1. Then we draw the line, go through these points. Okay. Alright, next one. Y equal to 3x minus 4. So your slope here, y equal to mx plus b. So your slope is 3 over 1. And your b is negative 4. We begin at negative 4. Slope is 3, which means up 3 over 1. 1, 2, 3 over 1. 1, 2, 3 over 1. 1, 2, 3 over 1. Then we draw the line, go through these points. Okay. Alright. So 2 lines cross each other at this point, which is 2, 2. Okay, 2, 2. Make sure you know that drawing 2 lines is not done. You have to tell me, or you have to give the solution as the coordinate point where 2 lines cross each other. Alright, so that's it for number 1. Number 2, we're going to solve this by substitution. Y equal to x. So we're going to plug y in place of x. Sorry, we're going to plug x in place of y. So x equal to 3x minus 4. Okay, continue solving for x. You're going to get the variable on the same side. You will subtract 3x to both sides. Okay, 1x minus 3x is negative 2x equal to negative 4. Okay, and continue solving for x. You're going to divide negative 2 to both sides. So x equal to 2 as the answer. Okay, so make sure that you remember to plug in the answer into first or second equation. It doesn't matter which one you plug in. I picked the first one because it looked easier. Okay, y equal to x. In this case, x is 2, which means y is also 2. Your coordinate point will be 2, 2. Okay, and you see that this answer matching with this answer because the problem is the same problem. Okay, number 1 and 2 should have the same answer. Number 3, we're going to solve this system by elimination. So elimination means canceling. You're going to cancel something out. Okay, we want to cross out one of the variable, either x or y. So in this case, I'm going to choose to cross out the y. To cancel out a variable, you need to have the same coefficient and opposite sign. So in this case, they both have the same sign and the same coefficient. because the number in front of y, if you don't see any number, it means 1. This is 1y. So first, we have the same coefficient already. You need the opposite sign. So you're going to change the sign of one of the equation by multiply that equation by -1. Okay, you will have negative x plus y equal to 0. So we change the sign. -1 times x is negative x, -1 times y, negative y is positive y, -1 times 0 is still 0. Then we bring down the 3x minus y equal to 4. Now, if you add to equation negative 1x plus 3x will be positive 2x. Positive 1y plus negative 1y will cancel each other out. Equal to 0 plus 4 is 4. Okay. Then we're going to solve it like usual. You're going to divide by 2 to both sides. So x equal to 2. Okay, similar like what we have earlier. Then you're going to, excuse me, you're going to take this answer, plug it back into either first or second equation. I would choose the first one because it looks simpler. X minus y equal to 0. And your x is 2. So 2 minus y equal to 0. Okay, so we're going to subtract 2 to both sides. Negative y equal to -2. And then we divide by -1 to both sides. Your y, -2 divided by -1, which is positive 2. Your y value is positive 2. So the answer would be 2, 2. And as you see that they also have the same answer. So what we did is we solved the same system of linear equation in 3 different methods. Okay, so it's the same on the test. Whichever method that you're comfortable with, or you can solve the same problem more than one way to check your answer. Alright guys, that's it for today. Go ahead, take out your Chromebook, go to Delta Math, either retake the quiz, work on your homework, or also or do the 2 iReady topics. Alright, thanks guys for watching. See you tomorrow.